Would you like to know what's the biggest problem and the biggest secret with Thai massage? After living in Thailand for 15 years, receiving countless massages and practicing and teaching Thai massage every day, I do know the answers to both questions, and they can literally make or break a Thai massage career. So, what's the biggest problem with Thai massage? I have seen this over and over. Thousands of people come here to Chiang Mai, where I live here in Thailand. This is the place with the highest concentration of Thai massage schools in the world. And they are pumping out students by the hundreds every week. They are all teaching a sequence of techniques. So when you're done with the training, you might know 100 or 150 techniques or so. Then students walk away thinking they know Thai massage. All their clients get basically the same sequence they have learned in school, and many of them never become successful with their new skills. Why? Because mechanically doing the same sequence over and over leaves out the real art of Thai massage. Even here in Thailand, the same problem exists. If you get a session, in 99% of the cases you get a standard treatment with a standard sequence of techniques. When you ask for some special therapy work with your issue, you still get the same kind of session with 5 minutes extra thrown in on this area. And this mostly means that the therapist is just pressing harder wherever it hurts. This is not real therapy. And now I will tell you what the biggest secret is. Why do I call it a secret? Because hardly anyone is doing it. The secret is that real effective Thai massage therapy starts after you know all those 100 techniques that you were taught in school. Most students think that this is all there is about Thai massage, but that is just the beginning. It is just the first step. The real art is to know how to take those techniques to a higher level by combining them with perfect body posture, the right breathing, a high degree of sensitivity, learning how to adjust your techniques for different kinds of body sizes and weights, becoming really intuitive, and knowing exactly what to do for specific problems that a client may have. In other words, you cannot be a generalist. You have to become a specialist. Do you really want to be one of hundreds or thousands of Thai massage therapists who are all basically doing the same thing? Of course not. Let's get into the specifics now. Did you know that up to 250,000 people have hip replacement surgery and other hip operations every year just in the United States alone? And did you know that about 10 to 12% of them fail within 5 years? If you go to Wikipedia, this is what they list as potential problems. Risks and complications in hip replacement can include dislocation, loosening, impingement, infection, osteolysis, metal sensitivity, nerve palsy, pain, and death. Sounds great, With our sedentary lifestyle, hip issues can develop easily. The hip joints are a sophisticated mechanism which affects our balance, our walking, and even our knees and feet. Most people use only a tiny fraction of the possible range of motion of their hip joints because they're sitting in the same position for most of the day. So the muscles in their hip, they atrophy, they become stiff, painful, and they pull the hip out of proper alignment. Don't you think it would be a great idea to help people prevent hip problems? Thai massage has an incredible range of options for working on the hip. Unlike other massage therapies which work mostly with muscle relaxation techniques, Thai massage has dozens of techniques to give the hip a total workout, to restore a full range of motion in the hip joint. So now the question is, do you know all these techniques? If a client comes to you with hip problems, do you have the skills to find out what kind of problem it might be? Are you sure that you know all the techniques that are essential for hip therapy? Can you tell your clients with confidence that you have the skills to help them with their hip issues? Are you able to work on the hips for a solid hour? Do you know how to adjust all the techniques for different sizes and weights of clients? Do you know how to work on large clients with maximum effect, even if you're a small therapist? If you cannot answer yes to all these questions, then I have the perfect solution for you. Thai Healing Massage Academy's Thai Hip Therapy course. This is a massive and sophisticated program with 6 hours of exclusive hip training. This will teach you more about hip therapy than you could ever learn in any regular Thai massage school. And this is not just a collection of techniques or another one-size-fits-all sequence. When you study this program, you will really understand what to do, why to do it, how to find hip problems, how to deal with them effectively, how to work on different kinds and sizes of clients, how to modify your techniques to fit different situations, and how to communicate with your clients. Imagine how would it feel to be a highly competent and confident therapist who can actually help your clients with their hip problems and get results. This course is not just full of theory. This is top-notch hands-on education based on my 15 years of working with clients. This works in actual practice. I walk you through every technique in such detail that you can easily learn it. Thai Healing Massage Academy is well known for producing first-class therapy courses which you cannot find anywhere else, and this course is no exception. Students are getting actual results with our training courses. You might wonder if you can actually learn Thai hip therapy from a video. The truth is that it can sometimes even be easier than in a live course. When the live course is over, that's it. If you cannot remember how to do something, there is no way to go back and look at it again. However, in the case of our videos, you can watch them as many times as you like, today or 2 years from now, and it will not cost you 1 penny extra. This is a lifetime investment. Another question, is there any duplication if you already own our complete Thai massage course? Yes, some of the techniques are in both courses. The difference is that first of all, the Thai hip therapy course goes much more in depth, with many more techniques and with much greater detail. And second, all the material is perfectly organized in such a way that everything you ever want to know about Thai hip therapy is all in one place. It's kind of like learning how to drive. You might have gone to driver's education already and you're perfectly capable of driving a car. But now you want to learn how to drive a race car. You're still working with the steering wheel, brakes, clutch, etc., but you will learn how to use them in a much more advanced way. Another issue you might have is this. In a live course, I can ask the instructor if I don't understand something. That's correct. However, this course is not a DVD where you get 150 techniques dumped on you all at once and then you're left alone with it to figure out how it all works. Thai Healing Massage Academy is a real online training institute. This means that the training is interactive. We have a big forum with thousands of posts where students can ask as many questions as they like, and I answer every single one of them. So you get to work with your instructor and you don't get all the video lessons at once, which would be complete overwhelm. Instead, there is a structured, gradual learning process where you receive one training video every 2 days so that you have time to practice in between. You can actually follow other students' progress. You can even communicate with them. Then we have a certification program, and we are an authorized provider for continuing education credits in the United States. We are also famous for providing the best support you have ever seen. This is like the Rolls-Royce of online training for Thai massage. As you can see, this is very different from just purchasing a massage DVD on the internet. Let's summarize what you receive with the Thai hip therapy course. An introductory video, a detailed course manual with an index which makes it really easy to find anything you're looking for in the videos, 11 video modules with 6 hours of first-class training, free unlimited support by the instructor, 2 certification options, access to our forum and the interactive training features. Actually, our forum is proof that our students are succeeding with this training. You could read hundreds of inspiring success stories on there, but you don't even have to be sure that this will work for you, because we offer a learn, massage, or don't pay satisfaction guarantee. You can go through more than half of the entire course for the first 14 days, and then if you're not convinced that this is an excellent investment for your Thai massage career, just send us an email and you will get all your money back. So we take all the risk and you risk nothing, besides missing out on the very best Thai hip therapy video training on the market. There are plenty of Thai massage DVDs out there, but they don't offer you true online learning. You don't have a gradual learning process with no overwhelm. You don't have access to a student community in a forum, and you don't have personal support by the instructor. Our Thai hip therapy course would be an incredible value even without any of those features. The fact is that you will not find this unique and in-depth video training anywhere else. I mean, how much is it worth to your career to know that you have the best and most in-depth hip therapy training? How much is it worth to have access to a highly experienced instructor whom you can always ask for advice and help with the training, even if it's a year from now? The fact is that this course is not an expense. It's a smart investment you can make to become an outstanding Thai massage therapist who can really help clients with hip issues effectively. I mean, how would it feel to know that you are really qualified and competent to handle your client's hip issues instead of being insecure because you only know just enough to do a general massage? If you're sure that you know enough to really help your clients, you have a natural confidence that makes it much easier to attract new clients, and your existing ones will keep coming back to you. The bottom line is, better training translates into better skills, more clients, and a higher income. I also want to tell you why I'm doing this. I don't see myself as a seller of video courses. I see myself as a Thai massage success coach. My purpose is to help therapists to succeed with the best training possible. This is my passion and this is what I love to do.